Well, guys, we're back at it again. Finished up soybeans here yesterday. Switched back over to corn today. So we're shelling corn today, and we'll be doing that for most of the day and in the evening, and we'll see how today goes and hopefully get a decent video out of today. Alright guys, so got the first field done that we were in earlier. There's so much turning and so much to watch in that field because it's, you know, it's around the woods and whatnot, and there's limbs that stick out. There's just a bunch of, you know, the limbs that you gotta watch out for. You gotta stop and go around. And so I didn't do a whole lot of videotaping in that one, simply because I was just too worried about staying concentrated on my surroundings. But we're back at the home farm, shelling the 80 acres around the farm here. Something that I would like to kind of, what should I say? Something that I'd like to tell you guys, and it's actually been asked quite frequently on my videos that I've noticed. A lot of people ask where we farm, you know, where we're located. We are located in a county called Lucas County. It's in northwestern Ohio, up in the Lake Erie watershed. So that is where we farm. It's flat dirt. There's no hills whatsoever. Nice flat farm ground. The dirt around here is anywhere from sandy ground to heavy clay ground. So it just kind of varies on where you're at. But there is a very there's a very widespread amount of soils here in northwestern Ohio. So that was something that I wanted to talk about real quick, is where we're located, because a lot of people have been asking me, where do you farm, where are you located, where are you at? So now you know. So we're gonna keep on shelling and see how the rest of the day goes. It's only about 5:15 at the moment, so we'll still be shelling for quite a little bit now. This corn's dry. It's running about 15-16%. Some spots at 17%, but it's dry enough that we can put directly into the grain bin and we don't have to dry it. So we'll keep on shelling and see how much we can get done today. Alright guys, so we're still going at her strong. A little bit farther away to where I started. Got about 45 acres off, so got about another 40 to go. So you can definitely tell where spots in the field got water and where there was spots in the field where there was no water. And for some reason there's a little bit more vegetation in between the rows this year. We've never had it quite as bad like this before. Don't get me wrong, we've had weeds, but we've never had them this thick. So far everything's still running good. Haven't had any issues. Dad had to go take off real quick to go help out a friend of ours. Called and said that something was smoldering on their combine and they couldn't find it. So he went down there with our water truck, still had some water left in the tank, and said they got water in case something catches unexpectedly and they can't get the fire extinguisher to it in time. So I'm gonna keep on rolling and we'll see how far we get tonight. Well, that about does it for this one, guys. On the last round for the night. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos and there's many more to come. So we'll see you next time.